Alright, so I got myself a solid state drive to put into my MSI G63VR. Got tired of the terabyte mechanical drive. Got a 2 terabyte. There are 15 screws. Don't have to worry about the factory seal sticker. If yours is still within warranty somehow, it doesn't void your warranty. I called their support a year ago when I planned on doing this, but never got around to it. Be careful when taking this off. When you get all the screws out, I would suggest using some sort of like plastic tool, if you have anything, to help pop that off. Otherwise you will break these little tabs. And there is the bay for an additional drive if you don't already have one. Now to get to like add thermal paste or to upgrade your RAM or to reapply thermal paste on your GPU and CPU heat sinks, you would have to take the whole motherboard out. And to also upgrade your M.2 and RAM, but you don't have to for this. Just a quick little video showing you the internals. Just this little cable right here for the drive, which would then mount on here. Anyway, any questions? Feel free to leave me a message. Alright, have a good one. TechMaster170 out.